Hi guys, today I'll be doing top 10 favorite squishies. First, we got this. Next, we got this squishy. So, next we got Millie the Whale. Next, we got this Hello Kitty Squishy. And next, we got this and next we got Smelly. Next we got English Girl. Next we got this rare squishy. Next we got Belle Squishy.